Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a portable aluminum laptop stand. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a laptop stand from the company BONERUY. And this portable laptop stand is perfect for laptops the size of 10 inches all the way up to 17 inches. So you guys can use this for your MacBooks, your Windows, and other sorts of different laptop devices such as Samsung, Lenovo, Toshiba, Dell. All sorts of different brands can be used with this laptop stand. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys do enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. If you guys need to shoot me a message, or if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this product information, and also the link to purchase this laptop stand will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with a link to make a purchase if you guys want to buy this laptop stand. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move on to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, the packaging of this laptop stand is fairly simple. We do get a picture of the laptop stand itself and it being folded up, and also just a diagram, or I should say a visual representation of how the laptop stand looks like. And as I spin it around, you guys can see there's hardly no specifications and details on the side of the box. So what we're going to do is actually move this onto a secondary camera angle so you guys can have a close-up shot at this product. As you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says laptop stand. I mean, this is a picture of the laptop stand, and that's basically it all for all the specifications and details on the side of the box. So what we're going to do now is actually move over to unboxing this laptop stand. So I'm going to open up this flap, and we're basically going to just pull out this laptop stand. It comes in a nice kind of carrying case, and that's basically it for the packaging. So what I'm going to do is kind of construct this box and put it off to the side. It comes in a nice kind of carrying case that you guys can easily take on the go, and it does look very stylish. So what I'm going to do is actually open up this case. I'm going to pull this out for you guys so we can take a look at the aluminum laptop stand. And we're going to basically put this case off to the side, just right here. But you guys can see this is actually the back side of the laptop case, or I should say stand. So obviously this is where you adjust the height. So you guys can see you can easily adjust the height to your desired length from the back side. So this is how the back side looks like with the anti-slip grips and stuff. And then on our front side, as I flip it onto the front again, you guys can see this is where you'll place the laptop itself. It is made out of aluminum, which is nice to see. And in the back side, when I'll show you guys where you can adjust the different sizes, those grooves feel really nice and feel like they will stay intact if I were to actually place them inside. And then the great thing and another good feature about this laptop stand is these holes. So these holes will allow the laptop to, not overheat. And it's going to allow the heat to disperse, or whatever it's called, disperse from the bottom of this laptop stand. So there's a lot of good features out of using a laptop stand. And if you get one, definitely check out this one, because this one has a lot of good features that maybe some of the other ones do not have. So what I'm going to do now is basically move on to the testing and demonstration portion of this video. So obviously for this video, of course, we're going to be using this laptop that's next to me. I'm going to put this box off to the side, and I'm going to put the carrying case off to the side. So in our demonstration, we're going to be using this laptop that is right next to me to test out this laptop stand. So let's start off with the lowest for now, basically, because it's... And yep, just like that. And now what you need to do is you can take the laptop you're using and place it right on top. The great thing about having a laptop stand is, look at this. Now I could type like this and have my hands rest on the keys properly, which is really nice. So that's a good benefit of using a laptop stand. Let's go down a level. So I need to kind of look underneath. So this is down one level, and you guys can see it's not that significant of a change. Okay, we went down another level. This is our next level, and you guys can see it's increasing ever so slightly with every single additional level that we go to. Let's go to the next one. This is another level. You guys can see it's getting extremely high now, and you know, me typing up now is getting up more vertical. I'm pretty sure that's the right context to put it as. So it's getting, the elevation's going up is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, there's a total of 6 levels, but this one right here is our last level. You guys can see it's extremely high. And you guys can see it looks really nice and presentable though. So if you're trying to kind of type or do work at an angle, get one of these laptop stands and that will do the trick for you. You know, now I can go in and start typing like this and have the laptop at a much more elevated surface, and my eyes are actually looking straight at my screen instead of looking kind of down as I'm typing. So that's a good thing about a laptop stand. So you guys can see this laptop stand is very effective, and you know, if you're trying to kind of get your laptop kind of elevated on an elevated surface, I do recommend checking out this laptop stand. But right now, what we're gonna do is actually move on to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this laptop stand from the company BONERUY. Well, I think it's a fantastic laptop stand. As you guys can see, it is made out of aluminum, meaning that this is very portable and it's gonna last you for a long time if you use it with extended use. And I showed you guys all the different levels you can go to. There's a lot of customization with the levels. As you go up a level, there's not really too much drastic change. You know, it kind of slightly goes up more, but you're not gonna really notice it. Depending on your situation, you can go as high as you need to with this laptop stand. If you guys did enjoy this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this laptop stand, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if you have any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching, I would greatly appreciate it if you went down below and left a like, as that just greatly, you know, informs me and lets me know if you guys are enjoying this tech series. Follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewEliteYT@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need any photo assistance, you guys can do so by contacting me through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this laptop stand or get more information about this laptop stand, product information, and also the link to purchase this laptop stand will be down below in the description for you guys to check out and get more information about this laptop stand. But overall, this is a fantastic laptop stand. You know, it does the general functionalities of a laptop stand, and I love all the different levels that you guys can set it to, and it's just obviously, it's just overall a nice aluminum laptop stand that you guys can use and utilize. But like I said earlier, this is going to conclude our episode right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.